that I would laugh when you said I was small? Did you think that that would pass as if nothing at all? You say a lot of funny things, my little bunny, and I almost always laugh, but that's not really funny. You play the little bells and tell a good story. You bake delicious pie and that's enough for me. But I am big, I am your man, and you're my little honey. And I like what you have to say, but that's not really funny. Continue to emasculate me. The neighbor children through the window clearly see. The little boy will wipe his nose because it's runny, then point at me and laugh, but that's not really funny.